Hey guys, welcome. You're watching me on Let's Talk in English. My name is Priya. I'm your English teacher. Well, today I have a question for you. Now, it is important that you are really honest with your answer. Deal? Okay then. Well, here is the question. And my question is, as a kid, how did you learn the very first words you ever knew? Did you learn it in kindergarten? Or did you learn it at play school? Or did you actually learn it through books? Well, that's impossible. You were a baby after all. Well, the honest answer is that you simply heard words over and over again, and there your brain picked up new words just like that. Every night during bedtime, your mother would say that, "Hey honey, go to bed." You listened to that and you actually learned. And that's exactly how you learn to be fluent in any language. So, to become fluent in English, you must first learn to listen to it. So, pay attention while I help you learn to listen and get fluent in English just like a native speaker. Now, here is the first thing that you can do. Be a copycat. You can learn to listen and understand English really well if you become a copycat. Now, I'm not trying to be funny. Well, it's actually true. If you copy or imitate native English speakers long enough, you will start talking just like them. I know that a lot of you are probably not exposed to native speakers because you live in non-English speaking country. Well, don't worry. You can actually speak like a native speaker. Just practice, practice and practice. In today's session, I am going to discuss with you about an ice-breaking question of an interview, that is, tell me about yourself or tell me something about yourself. The time you enter in the cabin of your interviewer and you ask him for the permission to take a seat. Suddenly, a voice comes from, "Tell me something about yourself." So you have all the butterflies in your stomach. You just get stressed. You are not able to answer properly. Don't worry. I am here to help you out. Alright? So we are going to discuss this question, that how can we answer it in a simple manner without taking stress or tension. So, what I have done, I have divided this answer in orders or in few segments. We will have a look that what is the right order of replying this, and that too in a simple and easy manner. Alright? If you are being asked, tell me something about yourself by your interviewer, so first thing you have to mention is your name. The format of replying this, you can say, "I am Priya," or I can say, "My name is Priya." Starting from both the phrases is correct. Next comes place, where you live. So you can reply this one by saying, "I am from Bombay," or "I belong to Bombay." Both are right. But if you say, "I belong to Bombay," it seems more frequent. I am biased about it. I like it much. Third comes informing about your highest qualification. The phrase should be, "My highest qualification is ABC," or "I have recently done ABC." Alright? Coming to the fourth part, your skills and experiences. You must be carrying an experience in your life, and definitely along with the experiences, you must be carrying a few skills. So, if there are 4 or 5, don't recite it. Speak about only 1 or 2 that you are very much strong. Like, I am quite good in, for example, I am quite good in computers. Next comes speaking about your family. Lot of people don't mention it, but it is necessary. Coming to the family background, the phrase should be, "So far my family background is concerned." Then you can discuss about your family members, we have four members, my parents, about your sibling, and go on. Another phrase you can say, if I talk about my family, or very simple one is, in my family there are 4 members or 5 members, whatever. So, these phrases are very easy and quick on your tongue when you inform about your family. Last one is about describing your hobbies. You have to maintain a very light tone once you are speaking about your hobbies. And the phrases can be, I have a couple of hobbies. First phrase. Next phrase, it could be, if I mention about my hobbies, or if I talk about my hobbies, I am fond of reading, or I am fond of watching movies. Whatever it can be. When the introduction is done, you can say, that's all about me, sir. Thank you. I will introduce myself. Listen carefully. Good morning, sir. My name is Priya. I belong to Bombay. My recent qualification is I am postgraduated in literature. I am carrying an experience of 5 years. I am very good in delivering classroom lectures. So far, my family background is concerned. There are 4 members in my family. My parents, we are 2 siblings. I am the youngest one. If I talk about my hobbies, I am fond of listening light music, playing badminton, exploring different kind of places. That's all about me, sir. Thank you.